Hi everyone, welcome back to AZ Network channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Pancake Swap. Many of you guys asking me from my Instagram how to buy Pancake Swap. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Pancake Swap and how you can stake in the Pancake Swap and earn and make more cake or BNB or any other like a coins that's inside the pancake swap. So first of all, we need two things. We need two wallet, Binance Smart Chain wallet and MetaMask wallet. So if you are using the Google Chrome, so just you need to download Binance Chain wallet and MetaMask. So you need to I'm gonna put this link in the description of the video, so you can go there and you can just download the page, go to the download page, or you can just Google it and say Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So it will go to the Google Chrome right away. So you can just, I already added, so I don't need to add again. So you just need to add to your Google Chrome, or you can just write it right here, MetaMask, um, and add MetaMask as well. I already added as well, so but I don't need it. So you need MetaMask wallet and Binance Smart Chain for this transaction. So the next thing what you need to do is connecting your Binance Smart Chain with a MetaMask. For this reason, you need this information right here. Um, I'm gonna put all this information in the description of this video. So what you need to do, you need to go to the MetaMask and then just going to, you see right here, I already add Smart Chain. You need to go to setting, and from setting go to networks, and in networks you need to add another network. I already added, so you need to add Smart Chain. In this margin, what you need, that's a name, that's a name. If you want to name anything, you can do it, but you need to like a RPC URL and chain ID and the symbol and those other stuff. Just make it like the like a this tutorial or this article when I'm gonna put it. So when you add this one, what you need to do is there is a there's your Binance chain network. So what you need to do, you need to, for example, send BNB or I prefer sending BNB. So just send BNB to Binance chain network. So that's your address. You can copy and go to like if you have a BNB from Binance of the US or Coinbase, just oh sorry, in Coinbase you cannot buy BNB. So but if you have BNB from any other wallet, just send it from there to this address, and when you see, you will see it right here. For example, before I send it to BNB and I receive it and I send it back. What you need to do is you need to send this BNB from the Binance chain network to MetaMask, to this MetaMask. Okay, if you see it right here, there's a lot of transaction, but yep. So you can send it here to your account in the MetaMask. Then what you need to do is just go to pancakeswap.finance. So you don't need to do farm, just go to pancakeswap.finance, and what you need to do is just connect your wallet. So I already connect my wallet. What you need is a MetaMask wallet. So you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. And when you connect, so in the exchange part, so it will show your BNB, how many BNB you have it in your wallet. Right now, I don't have any, so that's why it doesn't show anything. Um, but like if you exchange, you want to exchange, just like create, select cake, for example. You can like okay, I have like a this kind amount, which is like a very low, and I can change to like a cake or any like a Cardano or any other coin that you want to buy. But for this video, I'm just gonna use cake. And then when you have your cake right here, you need to go to pool. There's a pool right here. What you need to do is just approve cake or click this button, approve cake. For example, you want a cake. I already did. So you need to approve cake. And okay, in the beginning, I just put one cake and I in this pool, and right now is 3.4. So if you want to create more cake every day, because the APR is like pretty much very high. So if you put like 100 cake, you'll like make a lot of cake out of this. If you just want to like keep this cake, I prefer like keep it here and stack it and earn more cake instead of just putting in the wallet with and keep it. So mm, yeah, just earn more cake. Or another thing you can do, you can just go to the farm, or what you need to do, just cake and BNB. You can change your half of your BNB to cake, and like let's say you have two BNB, change one BNB to cake, which is gonna be like maybe 16 to 17 cake. um, so 17 cake and BNB put it here in this farm. So at the same time, the APR for this pool is really high as well. So you can earn like a cake and BNB at the same time. So um, that's a way how to buy Pancake Swap if you are in the US. I know if you are in the Europe or like other countries, I know it's much easier to buy it, but for those people when they are in the US, so they don't have any access to buy Pancake. So here is a way so you can buy Pancake, and you can like put it and stack it on the pool and make and earn more cake. I hope you guys liked my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and support my channel to make more videos. Thank you guys.